Welcome to the 64th issue of the Horseman's Gazette, your quarterly source for watching and learning from the most talented instructors working with horses and riders today. Are you ready to accelerate your progress? We've assembled an incredible group of experts ready to share their hard-won experience. It's time to pull up a seat, open your mind, and add powerful new ideas and techniques to your skill set. Our goal is to help you achieve the gains you've been working toward, but without all the frustrating knowledge bumps along the way. Becoming the best horseman you can be is a lifelong commitment. Now you have direct access to the best resources in the horsemanship world. Come along for the ride. We guarantee you and your horse will be glad you did. Today, we open a special vault of knowledge. We have documented the collaborative wisdom of two phenomenal horsemen, David Hillman and Gene Armstrong. With vast shared experience in colt starting, they work side by side, discussing and demonstrating the critical first steps with young horses. Watch as David works with a young horse whose attention is easily lost. David explores some variations on his saddling and other procedures to adjust to fit this colt, and ends with a nice ride in the round pen. This documentation holds profound significance as we mourn the passing of Gene Armstrong earlier this year. The moments, lessons, and discussions captured in this film are now a lasting tribute to his incredible skill and mentorship. Join us now to honor Gene's legacy and absorb these priceless lessons. Canter work can be very fun for the rider, but first the horse must be ready. In this lesson, Katrin Silva explores building a solid foundation for flying lead changes and pirouettes through steady work with horses at each stage of riding. Starting with the transition into the canter from the trot, once that is solid and comfortable, anything is possible. Without ego, she invites us along to watch and learn from her training horses as they are learning themselves. Want to unlock the secrets to truly brilliant Liberty work? It starts with the right preparation. In this video lesson, Alice demonstrates a critical step, lunging with square pen position. This exercise is essential because it introduces your horse to the exact tracks and postures you'll later ask for at Liberty, setting them up for success. The key is in the positioning. Your horse moves along the outside square while you maintain control from your path on the inside square. This method isn't just about movement. It's about a powerful exercise for building focus and connection.
Have you ever wondered how easy it is to use our streaming videos online? Simply go to your account, choose streaming from the menu, choose the video you want to watch. It will open on its own page. Go to the menu bar, choose chapter. You can select which story you want to watch. It will start playing, and once it's playing, you can open it up in full screen or picture-in-picture to watch your video segment. If you want to change to another chapter, you can go back, select your chapter, choose that one. Want to watch it in a bigger window, picture-in-picture, there you go. Or you can watch the video from start to finish. Thank you. Hope to see you online.